Today we are in the Icacos Peninsula looking at the Columbus Mud Volcano. The Columbus Mud Volcano lies in southwest Trinidad on the Cedros Peninsula. Its location is highlighted in the red circle on the Google Earth image. It is found within the privately owned San Quentin estate, and thus it is not advisable to attempt to go to it without permission. We are looking at a surface geology map of the area. In purple are the mud flows associated with all of the mud volcanoes in the area, and these cover around 700 acres. Here we see the areas covered by mud on the 10th of February 2026. It totals 1.9 acres. The last eruption in this area took place, according to the literature, in 1966. First, we take off and rise to a height of around 200 feet, looking to the north, then slowly move to the right, looking in a westerly direction up the peninsula. The area close to the mud volcano is covered by shrubs and small trees, while being surrounded by coconut palms in all directions. On the south coast, in the distance, Venezuela is the dark line on the horizon. Eventually, looking west, we see the lagoon. As we look down on the southern mud volcano, there's a dark radiating patch that represents the remains of a cone that was active in 2022, according to a Google Earth photo. Here is a close-up of the dead cone that is cut by radiating open fractures. As we fly around the mud volcano, we see that the ground is covered by chunks of sandstone, chert, and other rock fragments.